Hey besties, it's your girl Kennedy G, and today we are going to be cleaning out my closet. Spring is here, and I recently just left my job, which I'm going to make another video about. And spring is here, and I want to kind of like do like a refresh, and then I also kind of want to show you guys what I was talking about as far as the differences with like what type of fit and what type of other stuff that you should kind of go for, and like how you should actually clean your closet out. I'm going to show you guys how to clean your closet out for real, okay? So first things first, let's start with this top. I just got this top. Fits so much better than what I'm about to show you. Simple top. It's not too see-through. It's a little bit more flattering, like the sides of it go in a little bit more. Let's start with the neckline. The neckline is a little bit like droopy. I got it from Forever 21, God knows when. This is like peeling up a little bit at the top right here. It's getting a little bit picked up. The neckline's droopy. It's a lot more see-through. Like super see-through. Whoa. And then like the sides. See, the sides just aren't like as tailored. And the shirt's just kind of like loopy, like just kind of like whatever. Versus this, the neckline is just a little bit more appealing. Even if it was like a scoop or more rounded neckline, I think it would be fine too. But just that's a little bit more of an elevated neckline, a little bit of a more snug fit. Just completely different. It's not the same. The way that I organize everything in my closet is I do everything by garment, type of garment, and then length. Tank tops, short sleeves, long sleeves, sweaters, sweatshirts, sets. And then I'll color coordinate it too. First things first. I really like how this shirt looks on. I usually don't like the bottom of these types of shirts. I really like how this shirt looks on me. So what I'm looking for is like how certain shirts make me feel, how I feel like I want to look in the shirt, and then also like if that's kind of like going with my style, or if it's just kind of like if I got it just for like a trend, or what I got it for, and if I really think I'm gonna wear it again. So this definitely something I'm gonna wear again. I never wore this. I never wore this. I'm gonna have to try this on. I never wore this, so everything that I know that I'm like iffy about, I'm gonna put to the side. And then I'm gonna like just try it on and figure out if I want to wear it, or if I like this one. This one's like a simple shirt. I only wore this once. I think I like it still. I just only wore this once, and I'm always looking at it in my closet, and I never pick it, but I do like this shirt. I think if I like keep it, I think I'll wear it. I love this. I'm never gonna get rid of this. This is, I still think that this IMG outfit, I feel like even though I don't really see people wear it as like this full set anymore, the way that wearing these as separates eats, like wearing these separately go. Like they go crazy, especially this top. They give like rock star vibe. You gotta have a Lake Show jersey. Okay, so I don't really wear this, but I feel like I would start wearing it more. So I think I'm gonna hold on to this. I got this a while ago. I used to really like this bodysuit a lot, but it has like just like, I don't even know if you can see it. This material just gets really picked up very easily. You want your clothes to be like in good quality. My mom hates this. Like she just does not like this at all. I think I'm gonna get rid of it because I don't even know. I don't know what I would do. And honestly, I kind of hate this shirt too. Like I bought it and like, I think it looks like a napkin regardless. Like it just looks like a little like tail. Like, where is this gonna go? I don't know. So I think I'm over this. I wish there was a way to like, I'm like, because even if I cut it, it's just gonna unravel. So I guess I just gotta give it away. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to give this away. I'm gonna do the rest of the tank tops and then I'll get back into short sleeves. You always gotta have some like professional-ish golf, you know, because a lot of business deals are done on the golf course. And even just like, you never know if you have like a meeting and you need like a shirt. Oh, I made this shirt a while ago and I cut it so that way like you can see like under boob. Like I cut it like an under boob shirt. So I'm like, do I keep this? I cut it janky too, I'm not gonna lie. I like it, I might keep it. This company gave me this shirt, but I'm just like, I don't like that this like has like a weird neck thing going on. Like what? I feel like this looks crazy. Like a poncho. This shirt looks crazy. Bro, why did the shoulders stick out like this? Like this looks nuts. Absolutely not. Always keeping this. Ugh, I hate this. Like this other shirt. It just like picked up and like it's another Zara top. Like it just like this keep getting picked up and I'm like, I don't know what it's getting picked up on. Like what? I literally only had this shirt. I wore this shirt like 3 times and it started getting picked up. Work shirt. I'm definitely keeping everything that's like I can like wear, just that's timeless. This is something that's a little bit more trendy. It's like one of those like oriental style tops. It's got the little like, if I can find the picture of the outfit I wore with it, I'll put it here if I can find it. It's a little style top. It's really cute. I don't really wear it that much anymore. Maybe I'll try it. Okay, I'll put this as another one that I need to try. So these two, I need to try this shirt because I got it and I don't think I like how it hits me at the bottom. So love. Another tip, anything that you don't absolutely love and you're like, I don't really know, you should probably get rid of it, because I thrifted this and I thought that I really liked it, but it kind of reminds me of this shirt that I used to have in middle school. And it's kind of just like, I don't know, I'm not like a vest person like that. Like even if I try to tell myself I think I am or want to be, I'm not. So I'm gonna have to try this on and see if I want to keep it. If there's stuff that you have had tags on, and I'm not talking a couple months, I'm talking some years. Remember what I said, you might want to get rid of it. I've had this for 3 years. It's been sitting in my closet. I'm gonna try this on one more time. And if I don't try this on and I don't like it, I'm getting rid of it. I got it in Italy. And I think I never wanted to part ways with it because I got it in Italy, but I'm like, I never wear it. It still has a tag on. I never worn it once, so yeah. Y'all, button ups on dress shirts, on dress shirts, on dress shirts. I have more in the dry cleaning too. I told y'all I'm obsessed with dress shirts. So I did long sleeves. I did short sleeves, long sleeves, tank tops. Now I just need to finish doing sweaters and sets. And then that should be everything for my tops as far as like fall, winter wardrobe. This is why closet clean out is good. I have these, I didn't even remember that I bought these. And I was just saying I need some sandals. See? Clean your closet out. I love a cardigan. It's hard for me to part ways with cardigan. I never wore this. I think I just need the occasion though. I think this one is more just like an occasion, but we're gonna try it on and see how we can rock it. Of course, my merch, alternate reality. When reality doesn't set in the way you want, create your own. And this is also linked in my bio. It's also gonna be linked at the bottom of this video, so if you wanna get one, you can find it from the video. Yeah, like some of this stuff, I still like. I never wear this sweater. Like, I like oversized sweaters. I bought this once upon a time and loved it. And now it just reminds me of Christmas. And I, like, just... don't want it. Like, it just reminds me of Christmas. Like, I don't know. I'm over it. I think it was something about flannels in LA. When I go back home, I'll wear a flannel all day. But it's just something about wearing a flannel in LA that I'm just like, ugh. Like, I don't know. But when I go back on the East Coast, where my flannels at? I got like 5 flannels in my closet I wear. But I don't know. Like, is this giving like Farmer Brown? Like, we'll see. Everything in my closet's like color coordinated, so it was all like fake in order. Okay. This I still wear at the airport. Cute. This, cute. This, cute. Dressed and hungry, always cute. I also always wear this at the airport. This is one of my go-to airport fits. Cute. So first, I'm gonna put everything back, and then I'm gonna try on all the tops that I don't want. And then what I'm gonna do is, after I put all the tops away that I don't want, I'm gonna see what I like, what I wanna sell, what doesn't fit me, and then I'll put that back into my closet as well, depending on if I wanna keep the maybes. And then the stuff that's like not a maybe, I'll put for donate or I'll put for sell, which everything I want to sell will also be linked in this video as well. So I'm going to show you guys now how I like coordinate my closet a little bit. So I like to do everything color coordinated. Okay, so I hung up all my shirts. I decided I'm not gonna do pants because I remember that like a couple of weeks ago I did already go through my pants. I have a ton of shirts to go through, and I still have to go through the dresses, and I still have to go through coats. This, okay, the way that I judge my dresses, I judge it by comfortability. I judge it by what event I wore it to and what event I could wear it to. This dress, simple knit maxi dress, super soft. It's not peeled up, it's not pilling. That's when like your shirts and clothes get like little balls on them. You can keep this nice like fall dress, and I can also like button the bottoms lower or higher if I want, depending on like the weather, so I like that. This was my birthday dress from Pretty Little Thing. I love this dress. Don't know where I'm gonna wear it again, but I'm gonna wear it. This dress eats. It's a maxi dress. It's curl. Eats! I'm gonna have to put my birthday picture up here. This dress, I was gonna wear to a premiere. It's like a off the shoulder, like kind of like slit dress. Slits are good for shorter girls and just girls with long, like if you want to show the legs off and make yourself like have the illusion of body, like especially if you're like smaller frame, a slit. a slick gonna do it every time. So I wore this to a premiere for the movie that I was in, and I still have the tag on it, which is funny enough, 'cause sometimes I forget to take the tag off my clothes. But I'm trying to think, I could wear this out, I guess, to like something fancy, like a wedding or something, like a summer wedding. I could probably just wear this or something then, because it's like good to have, you know? I got this in Miami. Never wore it. I got it in Miami 18. I got this in Miami in 2018. This is like, it's just like a regular sparkly dress, black blue kind of, and then I even like have the back out. So the back is like, it's got like these straps and stuff, so it's like really nice. So wear that. I did wear that once. I wore it in this, it was like a Mario and Ty Dolla $ign music video, so I wore that in that video. If I can find a clip, I'll put one, but I don't know if I can find it. This I wore on my birthday some years ago. Love this dress, love this dress, love this dress, love this dress, love this dress. Some rompers, summery one, wintry, fall-y-ish one. So I'll keep these. I might just keep it to work out in it, but like, I like this bodysuit because it's flattering on me, but I don't like this. I think I'm over this material, like this, like, so I might just work out in it. I think I'll just keep it just to work out in it, put it in my drawer, but I'm not gonna probably wear it. Okay, so this I got for a friend's birthday. Can be worn at any time. Staple, closet staple dress, little black dress, easy to wear. Another closet staple, little black dress, white dress that I wore on my birthday, another like plain dress, another maxi plain black dress, and then I got this on my birthday. But I don't think I could see myself wearing this again, so I might have to get rid of this one. Big. Like, I don't know. It's a size 2. It's Alexa Adams, but like, it's something about the way it was fitting me on the side. It was just way too big, but I don't know, I'm gonna try it, see if I like it. I tried it on a few days ago because I was going to this Oscars event, but it just didn't look right. So like, maybe I wasn't feeling myself that day, or maybe the dresses isn't working anymore. I don't know, but we gonna see. This dress, it's like a maxi like leather dress, but I think I want to get rid of it. This dress, I think I'm gonna try on. Love this dress. It's very hard for me to part ways with this dress. I don't think I fit it anymore, so I'm gonna hold on to it because I might fit into it. This bodysuit, I don't know, this bodysuit's not bad. I just never wear it. I never wear it. This dress, I love it. This dress, I just got this dress from Banana Republic. And then we're on the jackets. Okay, so I think I pretty much like all my jackets except for, I don't know about these. So I think I'm gonna try these on. I'll let you guys know. Yeah, like some of these little shirts, like this shirt, like this could, I'm done with this. This shirt, like what's even on here, like hair crease or something. Done with that. So now I'm gonna try this stuff on, and then you guys can see like the next part of my process and kind of how like I sort through this stuff, because I'm gonna try it on and then I'm gonna be like, all right, what can I wear with it? Like the same thing I kind of was doing before, but I'm just gonna kind of keep doing it so that way I just know I want to get rid of whatever. Get these other stuff put back in the closet, and then we're gonna try on some thingy things, okay? And that's it for everything else.